Gasping for air. A study says that kids living in areas with air pollution are more likely to develop asthma than kids who live in other areas. Asthma is an illness that makes breathing difficult. Over 5 million children in the United States suffer from asthma. More than 3,500 kids ages 9 to 16 who lived in California took part in the study. About half of those kids lived in areas that had lots of air pollution. The other half lived in areas that had clean air. All the children played outdoor sports. After studying the kids for 5 years, doctors found that about 260 of them developed asthma. Most of the kids who developed asthma lived in towns that had lots of air pollution. Doctors say that breathing too much polluted air caused the asthma cases. A California health official said the study shows the need to do more to prevent air pollution. Doctors say that children should still play outside, but only on days when air pollution isn't bad.